Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a flower crown. So, I found these branches of forsythia growing in my yard. They only had a few flowers left on the tips, but these are great because they're super bendable and they don't snap and break. So we're going to start by weaving these together. So if you take two pieces, you can begin just to twist them together. Come, have a closer look. You can twist them, put one over the other, and twist them together. You can do the same with ferns too. Ferns are one of my favorites for making a flower crown, but I found that the ferns I found near me weren't quite big enough yet, and they still had fiddleheads at the tips. So I decided to use the forsythia. So we're going to add another branch of it here and do the same thing. Just twist them together. So you have a nice long piece, and then you're going to measure onto your head. So I'm just going to finish twisting my forsythia, and then we're going to hold it to the head. Up. Hold on, this one needs to come a little farther in so it stays secure. Okay. All right, so let's do a measurement. Okay, so I'm gonna know that that's how big my flower crown needs to be. So I'm gonna weave this long piece so that the whole crown can come together. Little snap there, but didn't break completely, so I'm gonna keep on weaving. Okay, so there you have it. We have our flower crown base. I also found some mugwort in the yard, which is another great plant. It was only about this high. Sometimes mugwort can be like that high. Those are great for making crowns because they're super long. But these we can also weave in because mugwort, it also bends but doesn't break. So I have a few loose ends here, so I'm gonna use the mugwort for support. And I'm gonna weave it in, going under, over, under, over, under, over, weaving the mugwort in to the crown. And you can do this with fern, with any plants that you find. Okay, so see, it's becoming more and more stable. I'll do that one more time with another piece of mugwort, and then I'm going to begin to decorate. I found a few beautiful flowers in my yard. Maybe you can recognize these. And these. And these. So I'm gonna begin to decorate now that I have my firm flower crown base. My crown is complete. As you can see, I stuck the flowers in between the branches that we wove with the forsythia and the mugwort. So you can collect any flowers that you love and weave their stems in between the branches that we used to make the base of the crown. Don't forget to always ask the plants before you pick, and have so much fun. Thanks for watching.